Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy for all you music lovers out there. If you've been rocking a basic Spotify plan and want to level up to a family plan, you're in the right place. This plan is perfect for households, letting up to 6 people stream music, podcasts, and more with their own accounts, all under one subscription. It's a game changer for families or groups sharing costs. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you meet the requirements. You'll need to be the plan owner, and everyone in your family must live at the same address. Got that sorted? Great. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone or heading to the Spotify website on your computer. Log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually a circle with your initials or picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account to go to your settings page. Now, scroll down until you see the Subscription or Plan section. Click on that, and you'll see your current plan details. Here comes the fun part. Look for an option that says Change Plan or Upgrade. Select it, and a list of available plans will pop up. Choose Spotify Family from the options. Spotify might ask you to confirm your details or enter a new payment method if needed. Don't worry, it's straightforward. After selecting the family plan, you'll be prompted to invite family members. You can send invites via email or link, and once they accept, they're good to go. Review the total cost. It's usually around $16.99 a month for up to 6 people, depending on your region, and hit Confirm to make the switch official. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like eligibility errors, double-check that all addresses match. And remember, you can always manage your plan settings later if you need to add or remove members. There you have it, you've just upgraded to the Spotify family plan. Now, crank up those tunes and enjoy sharing the music magic. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next video, peace out.